out of bounds. One time ball. Good ball. 16-2. Dumidiskarte. Pass to Sir Leve. Rebound by Michael. Taking Green. Rebound by number 9. Satuinas. Pass to Green. Uy, putangin ako! Black by. Putangal. Binaunan. Wala ulit. Number 27. Good ball. Foul, foul. Foul, foul. Okay. First team foul. Change ball. Sorry, natuwa. Sorry. Obvious guy.
Nakaka-ennis ka, nakaka-ennis.
Celebrity pass to Mikey and for baby. Rebound by number 3.
Wow!
Rebound by Oy. Saan ka galing? Galing ka sa mundo ng mga hayop na!
Basura.
Ayaw pa!
Uy, running time yan!
Running time! 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Pass to Peru, taking 3. Rebound by number 3. Pass to Magday. Oy! Bisa ka, okay lang. Oh! Putangin ako! Wala! Benoy! Side step kahit wala kalaban! 2 balls! Putangin na! 2 balls! Guys, by Benoy! 2 balls by Magday!
Nagawa ng lollipop.
Rebound by Mikey! What the? 2 balls by Mikey Nepomuceno.
Baby.
Last 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Rebound by QUC Boy. 20 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Ivan Montal. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Spin move. Rebound by Yolet. 10 seconds to shoot. Benoy taking 3. Oh, down in the ball. 3 points by Benoy. Last 2 minutes. 2 points by Ivan Muzar. Ang husay talaga nun, no? Grabe ka husay! 1 minute and 35 seconds. Putang ina mo! Ulit ay! Sorry. Labas!
Lumabas. Tumalbog sa may guhit ka ganito. Kaya nga di kayo
1 minute and 20 seconds. Saved by Mikey Nepo, baby. Good ball. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 2 points by MDR. 1 minute remaining. 2 points by Mikey Nepo, baby. 50 seconds remaining. 3 points by MDR. 12:26. Intercepted by Jeru Nepomuceno. 36 seconds remaining. 2 points by Jeru. 30 seconds. Intercepted. Shot clock on. 2 points by Jeru.
20 26-16. Shot lock po.
Wala na, shot clock na.